Today we're showing you a 2006 Kubota L3400 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA463 quick attach front loader. Tractor has just over 400 hours on it. Engine is pre-emission, has none of the Tier 4 emission regulations on it. It's a nice clean little tractor. Does have some paint off the bucket from normal usage. And again, just over 400 hours. Tires are good. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. A little bit of a scuff there in the fender. Tractor's certainly not perfect cosmetically, but it is a nice clean little tractor yet. Rollover bar, little ding here in the fender, pretty minor. Tires are good. Looks like you got a scuff there in the side of the hood. Has the gear transmission, high-low reverse here to the left of the seat. 4 gears here in the center. Four-wheel drive engagement here below the seat. Clutch pedal, brake pedals over there to the right. Looks like the current hours are 429.5. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.